वीडियो में चाहे फ्रेमिंग जैसी भी हो, well, sometimes the video doesn't really matter. आवाज अच्छी होनी चाहिए, आवाज अच्छी तरह सुनाई देनी चाहिए, and you need to have good sound in your video. That is more important at times than video. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Aries, and today I am going to talk about audio and a brand new product from DT, which enhances your audio for your videos, for your vlogs, for everything that you require to capture sound for. And that is this small little mic. ये इतना छोटा है, it's almost like as big as my finger. Actually, let me take this part off the holder and show you. So this mic from DT is as long or as short as my finger. So if you can put your finger in your pocket and carry yourself, you can carry a mic too. That's a very silly example, but yeah. So this is the D4 Mini. And if we compare it to its older brother, the Purana Bada Bhai, which was the DT D4 Duo, which was a dual mic, see the comparison, see the size difference between the two. It's much slimmer, it's much shorter. So, is the sound as good? Well, let's find out. So this mic comes with the mic capsule, जहाँ से record होता है सब कुछ. This cable for attaching to your camera, and this cable which looks almost identical, but this is for attaching it to your smartphone. See, they've even put this small little cute label for your smartphone, if you can see it, if the focus is right, so that you can make out the difference between the two. Now what's the difference between these two cables? I will tell you in a bit, but let's see what else does this have. Well, this mic has this little holder like a cold shoe mount, जो आपके कैमरा के ऊपर जा सकता है, and of course it also has a 1/4 inch thread का यहाँ पर, so that you can also put it on a tripod or on a little light stand or something like that if you want to just mic it up from far away like a boom mic or something like that. Quite nice. And then this little dead cat. I love this name, Dead Cat, because it does look like a cat. Poor thing is not alive, but whatever. So this is basically for proofing your sound from wind. कि अगर if you are outdoors somewhere and बहुत सारी हवा आ रही है and you don't want your sound to get all muffled, well, you put this on your mic and now your mic is windproof. You can't hear the difference right now because I am mic'd up with the VLAV mic over here from DT itself, and you can hear the sound from the VLAV, which is a lapel lavalier mic, about which I have done a video previously, so the link of that will be in the description below. So now, what is this small little mic all about? Why should you be interested in this? And why do I recommend this for any YouTuber, vlogger, video creator? Because of the following reasons. पहले तो इसका साउंड लगा के देखते हैं कि क्या साउंड आता है. Well, of course, the sound will be slightly different because right now I am through a lavalier mic, to lapel mic. The mic is right here, तो आवाज़ ज़्यादा अच्छी आती है, ज़्यादा बेस आती है. In comparison, if I put the mic on top of the camera, which is a little about say 3 feet away from me, तो आवाज़ थोड़ी different आएगी, room tone आएगा. But you can get an idea that if you are vlogging basically and you are somewhere even in a noisy place or outdoors or somewhere, how will the sound? Let's check it out. So ladies and gentlemen, अब आवाज आ रही है from the DT mic which is on my camera, the VMic D4 Mini. So now you can hear me loud and clear, I'm sure, but of course along with it you'll be able to hear all the room tone, थोड़ा और सारा room tone, echo type का कुछ echo नहीं मतलब थोड़ा सा hollow sound आ रहा होगा because of course there is the sound that is bouncing off the walls, the floor and all that. So that happens with any mic which is on the camera if you compare it with a lav mic which is attached to your body or your shirt or whatever. So sound difference तो वो होता है, but otherwise this is a directional condenser mic, as in पीछे की चीजें, आजू बाजू की चीजें इतनी नहीं आएंगी. If you are just holding it or if you're just talking to the camera, it will usually pick up sound which is directly in front of it, which is a very good thing because if you're talking to camera, you don't want everything or people shouting or some kid crying or some traffic sound to be heard in your videos. So now let us take a test. Let's go outdoors. So we would know how the sound will sound कि अगर हम बाहर जाते हैं, कहीं noisy environment होता है, आजू बाजू लोग होते हैं, तो कैसा sound करेगा instead of just sitting in a studio. Let's go out. Okay, so right now I'm recording with the D4 Mini mic on top on my camera, and I'm out in the open over here, and a lot of noise around me. But since this is a nice directional small mic, so I'm sure it will only catch what I'm talking, and it will only catch what I'm recording directly to the mic. So I guess that shouldn't be an issue. I'm sure you can hear me loud and clear, and with the windshield on top, the Dead Cat, there's no wind sound either. There's not much of wind as of now, but like I'm saying over here, I think this should be pretty clear and pretty loud enough to hear even in an outdoor environment like this. The volume levels are mid, not too much, not too high, not too low. So I think that should work. Okay, so this is an audio test to see. Right now I'm standing about say 5 feet away from the camera, and I want to see if the mic catches me loud and clear. I'm coming closer now, about 2 feet away, and I think it should be pretty nice and clear and audible. I know the background and the lighting is not that great. It was raining right now, so I was just trying to take a footage somehow with this mic, so I think you get an idea. Okay, so now you got an idea कि अगर ये mic बाहर इस्तेमाल करें with this windshield, with this dead cat, how does it sound? And you can see how directional the sound is, as in it doesn't pick up sound from here and there. Mostly it will pick up sound from the direction that it is facing. Right? अब ये mic सिर्फ आप कैमरा के ऊपर यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. The amazing part about this mic is that you can use it with your phone. अपना कोई भी स्मार्टफोन पे आप इसके साथ जो दूसरी केबल आई है ये वाली, उसको साथ में अटैच करें अपने माइक से अपने फोन के साथ, and you can get audio quality like never before. Like even if you're making reels or TikTok videos or whatever you're doing, anything you're speaking in the camera in your phone, the audio quality will be enhanced and you will not get sounds from everywhere around. तो मतलब लोग बोलेंगे अरे यार ये मतलब प्रोफेशनल क्वालिटी साउंड कहाँ से आ रही है? तो वो छोटा सा माइक अपने फोन के होल्डर में लगा दो and see the difference. Also, there is a big advantage. You can also do live sessions on Instagram, or you can even do Zoom calls with this mic, because it's again a different kind of a mic. It's a directional mic, so it will not pick up things from around you. It will only pick up what is in front of you. Now, let us talk about the next amazing feature of this mic. एक ऐसा feature जो बहुत ही unique है ऐसे small little mic के लिए, और वो है ये. इस माइक में एक आउटपुट स्लॉट के साथ जहां से आवाज जाती है इन योर कैमरा और इन योर फोन, एक इनपुट स्लॉट भी है. नाउ यू विल आस्क व्हाट इज दिस इनपुट फॉर? वेल, दिस इज द अमेजिंग पार्ट. Now in this input you can put a lavalier mic like the one I'm wearing right now over here, like I showed you, but this is not plugged into the mic right now. Now this lavalier mic, which is the V-Lav from Deity, I will plug in the input, but before that I need a converter. As in ये है tip ring sleeve, that is TRRS. This is the kind of jack which goes directly into the camera. But if I want to put this lav mic in the input jack of the mic on the Deity mini mic, उसके लिए I need a converter. And that converter is also easily available. You can get it from any other website. Like over here I have this converter. This is the female TRRS, that is tip ring TRRS converter. And the other side is only one ring, that is the TRS, the tip ring sleeve. Now this will go in the mic on top, the mic mini on top, and then I'll show you what happens. Okay, तो अब मैंने डाला है ये V-Lav mic को D for mini mic के input slot में, और वहां से output जा रहा है सीधा कैमरा में. So now both the mics are working together. That is the on camera mic, that is the Deity D4 mini, and the V-Lav over here which is on my collar, and both are on separate channels. यानी कि ये है left पे, वो है right पे. Now what happens over here is you can record sound from both the mics together in different situations. Now if you want to mix and match कि कभी editing में तुम इसका level बढ़ा दो और वो वाला mic कम चाहिए ताकि बाहर का शोर ना आए, कभी यहाँ पर किसी mic में थोड़ा सा रसल आ गया या कुछ disturbance आ गई तो तुम्हें audio वहाँ से उठाना है उस वाले mic से, so you can do that. And that is like a backup option, which is a superb option for interviews and things like that, which you don't want to mess up and you want to have a backup channel to back up an audio. So you have a left channel and a right channel, and you can mix and match and see what sounds better or what sounds better together, and you can play with the levels. But now musicians, आपको कैसे भूल सकते हैं? ये आपके लिए भी इतनी amazing चीज है. Now supposing you're recording a sound, maybe a song, and you're holding a guitar. So if you have only one mic, you will have a mixed sound. But a situation like this, when you can have two channels and one lav mic and a one camera mic, can you imagine what you can do? So this will record your voice when you're singing, and that mic, if it's on your phone or your camera, which is closer to your guitar or instrument, it will pick up that sound more clearly. So you can mix the levels of your vocals with your audio of your instrument, and you can sound even more studio-like, even more professional. So I think that is such a great feature to have in any mic, but a mic as small as this and as reasonable as this, it's wow. And now another amazing feature is that this mic does not have any battery. It does not need any battery. You don't need to charge it because this is powered from your camera itself. So that is such a great bonus to have, because a lot of mics at times you need to change the batteries or charge the mic at times. But with this, You just plug it into your camera or your phone, and when you press record, it starts. When you press stop, it stops. As simple as that. ये ऐसा सारे mics क्यों नहीं हो सकते? So yeah, all in all, I would like to say that ये V-Mic D4 Mini is an atom bomb. But, I mean, this is such a cute, small, reasonable mic that अब तुम्हारे पास कोई बहाना नहीं है कि यार मेरी वीडियोस में ऑडियो क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है. Because, I mean, come on, so small, so tiny, and so worth it with so many features. You have to get this thing. The Deity V-Mic D4 Mini. Naam yaad rakhna. And if you want to see my review on the previous mic, which was the Deity D4 Duo, which was this, the dual mic, the link is in the description down below. So check that out. And until next time, like I say, keep shooting and stay safe. And now, have great audio in your videos too.